Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss IBPS RRB Officer Scale 1 Mains Model Test Paper number 22. First one, first section is about error location. We need to find out which part does the error contain, and we need to eliminate that, remove that part, and we need to rearrange the remaining order of the parts. The beauty of what Ghosh discovers is that these villages have been following such sane ecological practices for many decades without any help from the state and well beyond the gaze of the media. If you look at these things, these villages have been following such sane practices for many decades without any help, no problem, without any help from the state and well beyond the gaze of the media means media's attention is also not there. So from here to here, no problem. Absolutely correct. We need to check whether there is any error here or not. The beauty of what Ghosh discovers. Beauty of what Ghosh discovers is that the beauty is that. So the beauty is that these villages have been following. The beauty of what Ghosh discovers. I find there is no error. Answer is none of this. Today's appliances can communicate with each other, interacted with people, and even to a degree act out compelling stories by themselves. After can V1, absolutely correct. Today's appliances can communicate with each other, interact. Here V2 is given, V2 should not be there, only V1. Appliances can communicate, can interact with people. Option is B, delete B. If you delete B, ACDE is the answer, second option. A few thousand sensors systematically placed all around a city might accurately track traffic rule violations, mob violence, or other irregularities. A city means any particular city, we can keep a city, the city. And here, mob violence or any other irregularities should be there, because you are talking about accurately track traffic rule violations, mob violence, or any other, or else and other irregularities. If and is there, other irregularities. When you are using or any other irregularities, delete E, ABCD is the answer, first option. A lot of our personal and lifestyle data are shared through smart objects, and we don't even understand that your breakfast time, TV watching schedule, even when your house remain empty, are pieces of information sure to get exposed uh, throughout the through the IoT, Internet of Things, posing a serious security and privacy threat. If you observe here, many of us think data is, sir, no, data is plural only. Datum singular is, data plural are, no problem. And we don't, are present, don't present. And here your breakfast time, watching time, TV schedule, and when your house remained should not be there, remains. It should not be in the past, it should be in the present. Eliminate C. ABDE is the answer, second option. The arrival of new toy Buzz Lightyear creates a sense of insecurity between the older toys with the current leader, Woody, even feeling that this leadership is under threat. By the way, what is the partner of between? Between partner is and. So there is it creates a sense of insecurity between the older toys with the current leader. So error C, delete C, ABDE. Fourth option is the right answer. Bengaluru's aerial mission to produce a three-dimensional map of rooftop solar power potential using light detection and ranging data can given this key source of power a big boost. After can we require V1. Here V3 is given, delete V3. Simply it should be give. It can give, the data can give this source. So delete E, ABCD is the right answer. The person can experience lowering of consciousness towards evening and nighttime, with their behavior coming more unresponsive and unmanageable with the setting sun, a phenomenon known as the sundowning effect. Now here we are talking about one particular person, the person here, singular person. The person can experience lowering of consciousness towards evening and nighttime with their behavior wrong, it should be his behavior, because we are talking about one particular person. So error is in the part B, delete B, ACDE is the correct order. I guess it is C. We need to delete C. ABD is the right answer. This is C part, right? Okay. Repeating reorientation is the problem. Reorientation means doing again. You need not to use repeat. Repeat means do again. Reorientation is doing again. Delete repeating. Reorientation is needed. Error first part. Delete A. So B, C, D, E is the right answer. According to recent reports, few small groups. Always we need to use a few. Few means negative, no mean nothing, almost nothing. Few means negative, almost nothing. Whereas a few means positive, means something. Something is there. When you want to tell in a positive, we need to use positive. So here a few is required. B contains the error. So ACD is the correct order. In recent years, Muslims plural, so we require have. B part contains the error, eliminate B, ACDE. Second option is the right answer. Now it's closed test. Okay, I am working towards saving money. I want to save money, author is saying. One of the savings dash I want to consider is savings account. One of the savings dash. One of the savings benefits, one of the, after one of we require plural, no. Discretions, no. Options, yes, it should be grants. So second, third, fifth, not possible because they should be in the plural. After one of we require a plural noun. One of the benefits, one of the options. So what should come, benefits or options? I'm working towards saving money, one of the options or one of the benefits I may want. Benefits or options. Here we can consider options. One of the options I may consider, I may want is to open a savings account. One of the options I may want to consider is savings account. Savings accounts dash pay interest, although relatively small amount on the account. Savings accounts dash. Infrequently means rarely. These two have same meaning, so not possible. Usually pay interest, unusually habitually. And savings accounts, it's a thing, it is a process mechanism, not a human being. If a human being we can take, if it is a human being we can take habitually. Answer is either third or fourth, usually or unusually. Usually means regularly, unusually means not regularly. Savings accounts usually pay interest even though it is a small amount. Savings accounts, they usually pay interest. They pay interest, although very relatively small amount on the account. A savings account can be easily done, but there are definitely some things to take up and dash before choosing an option. So savings accounts can be easily done. You can easily open up savings account, but there are definitely some things to take up. So to take up V1 and V1, I require V1 in the blank to take up and a dash before choosing the option. To take up and rank before choosing, do we need to rank the account? No. Evaluate means examine, yes. Examine, yes. And sized up is V2. V2 is not required. We require V1. And estimate, if numbers are there, some expectations are there, we can do the estimation. Neglect is a negative meaning. Answer is evaluate. So we need to some things to take up and evaluate before choosing an option. First, consider which bank you want to open the account with. Look for convenience and dash. First, check which bank do you want to open your account with. Look for convenience and dash. Convenience and accessibility, yes. Convenience is a positive and I require a positive meaning containing word. Difficulty is negative, not possible. Restriction, negative, not possible. Inutility, negative, not utility. Suitability, so accessibility, suitability. Convenience is already suitable, so here accessibility means how can I access the bank and the account. First option is the right answer. So look for convenience and accessibility, but also consider the interest paid. Some banks provide specific facilities over a specific account balance or with some. The interest increases as the balance increases. Also dash any charges that bank may impose on you. Unification charges, rending charges, review charges, breaking charges, combining charges. So unification single, making it single. Unification any charges? No. Okay. Also rending any charges that bank may impose on you, maybe. Review any charges? Yes. Breaking charges, combining? No. Answer is review. Review means check. Check, are there any charges banks are imposing on you? Common charges include low balance charges, monthly charges, ATM charges if I have access to money via ATM. Any charge that I have to pay will dash reduce my savings. Any charge that I have to pay will seeming, see here after will I require V1, but after the blank V1 is there. So verb partner is what? Adverb. So I require an adverb here. Adverb means ly. Seemingly it should be. Tending is V1 and partiality noun not possible. Likely yes, leaning no. Answer is fourth option, likely. Any charge that I have to pay will likely reduce my savings, so I try to minimize them. I may also consider opening savings account with Jan Dhan Yojana once I am to decide a bank. I will have to determine what kind of savings account I will open. A basic savings account offers higher interest rates but a dash. A basic savings account offers higher interest rates but inconsequential, major requirements, restrictions, important, large, fewer. Here restrictions is a negative. So what we can take means fewer restrictions. A basic account offers higher interest rates but fewer requirements and fewer restrictions. Dash other than savings accounts. Now he was talking about savings accounts till then. Now he's starting other than savings accounts. While other savings accounts may be other than savings, before no, until time, unless no, during is timing. These both are related to timing, not sure. And unless means if not, not related. Before is also time. So answer is while. While is also used for comparing one with other. While I am standing, you are watching. While savings account offer this, while other non-saving account offer this. So first one is the answer. But more other than saving accounts dash offer high interest rates. Other than saving accounts are nothing but current accounts. They dash offer. Offer is V1. I require an adverb. They seldom. Seldom means rarely. So first one, fifth one not possible because both have same meanings. They often means regularly, yes. The earlier no, repeatedly no. Answer is fifth. They often offer high interest rates but more restrictions. But before I open a new banking account, I am to start saving money. Sorry, I am to start saving money even if I only have small amount to dash each month. Withhold means not revealing. No. Counteract, contribute amount, yes. Take amount withdraw. Answer is third one. I have to start saving even if I only have a small amount to contribute. Even little money is a great start. Rearrangement of sentences. Later I learned, later cannot be the first sentence. If the media center, a team updates the website and maintains the movement's online presence, maybe. Networks of mutuality had already developed, ensuring the occupation's viability. Now he is telling a definition. Networks of mutuality is nothing but changes here. So different networks of changes are already developed, ensuring occupation, jobs viability, possibility, maybe, chances. I passed by no, the space no and no. First sentence can be either B or C. Now here at the media center, who is there he is mentioning. Again, I passed by a food table offering free pizza, bread and fruit and medical station with volunteers. Here media center, here food table. So what I would like to do is see, I would consider see the first sentence. Networks, how networks of mutuality is getting changed, ensuring the occupation's viability. Now first occupation, media center. At media center, what is happening? Online presence is happening. Next, food section. I passed by a food table offering free pizza, bread, and fruit, and a medical station with volunteers. The space also includes performance area and makeshift library. First media center, then food table, then performance and makeshift library. DE. And F, and has developed a system to treat recycle wastewater. No. Who has developed the system here? Now look at A. Later I learned that the sanitation working groups helps the clean park. So sanitation working group has developed a system to treat recycle water. So AF. This is the order. So how an occupation's viability is getting developed and changed? It is mentioned in C. First occupation, media occupation. Next food table, how food table people are there. Next what does the space also contain? Next cleaning group. So C, B, D, E, A, F. In his dash, he followed the dash. In his agony, agony means mental and physical pain. Mental pain and physical pain is called agony. In his agony, followed the funny course? No. If he is in pain, then he does not follow funny. In his ignorance, ignorance means not knowing. In his ignorance, he followed the wrong course? Maybe. In his hurry, he followed the diversified? Not sure. In his predicament, predicament means problem, difficulty. In his difficulty, followed proper? No. Proper is positive. In his bewilderment, bewilderment, shock. In his shocking or confusion also. In his confusion, he followed the appropriate? No. Confusion, no appropriate. Answer is 2 or 3. In his ignorance, he followed the wrong course, both negative. In his hurry, diversify. Diversify again positive. So second one is the right answer. Ignorance, wrong course. A whole generation of infants is at a risk of. Risk is talking negative. They are at a risk of countering diseases. Countering diseases, no. Imbibing diseases, maybe. Imbibing means taking in. Generating diseases, maybe. Encouraging diseases, developing diseases. Due to drinking poisonous milk, negative. Due to drinking poisonous milk being pumped into market by dash traders. So who is releasing the poisonous milk? Bad traders only. False traders maybe, but first one is not. Vivacious. Vivacious means lively, active, attractive. It is positive. No, positive traders won't do. Unconscious trader, no. Dishonest traders, yes. Unscrupulous. Unscrupulous means without following values and morals. So answer can be either 4 or 5. But look at the first option. The whole generation is at the risk of encouraging the disease or developing the disease. So what will come means fifth one, developing the disease. Risk of developing the disease. Fifth option is the right answer. Rohan dash to a love for drugs. He considered to a reveal. Reveal is verb and a noun. Love is noun. I require an adjective here. So reveal is not suitable. He admitted to a correct love for drugs. No. Correct love won't be there for drugs. He accepted. After accepted, we never take to. He confessed to. Yes. Confess means accept that something you have made a mistake. Suppose if I made a mistake, I need to go and confess. I need to accept it. Generally, we go to temples, churches. Sometimes we pray to God. God, today I made a mistake. I made a blunder. This is confession. Rohan confessed to a secret love for drugs. Yes. Rohan is supposed to or was supposed to. Fifth one not possible. Answer is fourth option. He confessed to a secret love for drugs. The charges made in the system were so dash. They were so big that they didn't require any time. If big means more time is needed. The charges were so genuine that they didn't require intelligence. Maybe. They were so marginal, they didn't require any expenses. Marginal means moderate. Even moderate means you require expenses. They were certain. The charges made in system were so certain that they didn't require any expertise. Maybe the charges were so obvious. So obvious means clear. Charges were so clear they didn't require any modifications. Yes. So genuine, certain, obvious. Intelligence, they don't require expertise or modifications. Answer is charges don't require any modifications because charges are obvious. Clear. Many tourists to visit India, the beautiful dash of Kashmir, beautiful town of Kashmir, valley of Kashmir, scenery of Kashmir, no, lakes of Kashmir, town of Kashmir. Kashmir dash in spring and summer frequently, especially, especially spring and summer, yes. Rarely, closely. Answer is second one. Kashmir Valley, especially in spring and summer. Next one, last section, comprehension passage. Question number one, what is the synonym of affinity? Affinity means togetherness, close relationship. A friendship is also affinity. Here. Indeed, India-France relations are much bigger than any other contract. They represent the cultural affinity, means culturally they are close. They are same. Which of the following is the synonym? We require synonym. Dissimilitude, opposites. Aversion, opposite. Antipathy, opposite. Resemblance, similarity, same meaning. Fourth one is the right answer. And 1, 2, 3 are opposites, and the fourth one is the synonym for the given word affinity. Affinity is nothing but resemblance, similarities. What is the meaning of the word log jam? Where is log jam? Overshadow, affinity, robust, outright, logjam. Here it is mentioned. I want to read from this place. As in the case of Indo-US nuclear negotiations, Mr. Modi and Mr. Hollander decided to clear the logjam. They want to clear the logjam by splitting the problem into different silos. Some dead situation, some unending situation, some situation which is not moving further. So logjam by splitting. They want to, they want to clear this jam by splitting into parts. A long traffic jam now, a state of mind where you cannot decide what to do, maybe. A situation that seems irresolvable, yes. A place from the French president used to work, no. Answer is third option. A situation that seems irresolvable. Irresolvable means that cannot have solution. Cannot be solved is called irresolvable. Which of the following is not the synonym of overshadow? Overshadow means darken. During eclipse, overshadow happens. What is that overshadow? Here. That no single deal should be allowed to overshadow the Prime Minister visits. No single deal should overshadow the Prime Minister's visit. Means dominate. Surpass, exceed. Surpass, exceed, excel, transcend, all have same meanings. All the four have same meanings. And these are the synonyms of the overshadow, and we require not synonym, we require antonym. So antonym is not there, answer is 5. Which of the following is on the agenda of Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Agenda, Narendra Modi's agenda. Here it is mentioned. The items on Prime Minister's agenda reflected the range of commonalities from preservation of ancient architecture, development of Puducherry and Chandigarh as smart cities, from construction of seeming high-speed railway lines, cooperation on a space mission to Mars, discussing anti-terror training, training to tackling climate change through renewable technologies and robust nuclear partnerships. Let's look at the options. Preservation of ancient architecture, yes, it is mentioned. Development of Puducherry and Chandigarh smart cities, yes. Construction of seeming high-speed railway, yes. All of the above. Fourth option is the right answer. All are mentioned. According to the passage, which of the following got the whole attention or other than many important deals? While all this deserved attention, it was disappointing that the Prime Minister put the spotlight back on defense ties by making a surprise announcement on the purchase of 36 Rafale aircraft of the highlight of his tasks. So during his talks with French President Narendra Modi, what did he highlight? He highlighted the buying of Rafale aircrafts. That got the attention. Cooperation on space mission, no. Anti-terror training, no. General VK Singhs, no. Purchase of Rafale fighters, yes. Fourth option is the right answer. Title of the passage, big deal, Modi success, Modi tour to France, Rafale and beyond journey. Just now we have seen earlier 155th question, what got the high attention means Rafale fighters, buying Rafale fighters. So the passage is more about Rafale and beyond, fourth option. Which of the following is not the synonym of robust? Robust means strong. Where is robust? Outright, affinity, robust is mentioned here. From discussing anti-terror training to tackling climate change through renewable technologies and robust nuclear partnership. Robust nuclear partnership means robust means strong. Strong nuclear partnership. Strong is the same meaning, but we require not synonym, means we require antonym. Fragile means weak, it is antonym. Durable, strong, resilient, strong, vigorous, strong. So 2, 3, 4 are the synonyms of robust, whereas fragile is the antonym of robust. And he has asked not synonym, means antonym. Again, this one also not synonym of outright. Where is outright? Just now we have seen. Logjam outright. So if the outright purchase was crucial military necessity, outright means complete, full and out, full. Absolute, same meaning, utter same meaning, downright same meaning, sheer same meaning. And we require not the synonym, means we require antonym. Hence, answer 5 is the answer. There is no antonym of the given word. Outright is the synonym of all the given options. According to the passage, Dash will be responsible for economical production of nuclear power. Now here, the supplementary deal involving Areva and L&T product producing heavy forging metal casing for nuclear reactors is an important step in localizing some of the expensive part. During his visit to Canada, where he hopes to sign a deal for uranium supplies, Mr. Modi means to take forward his plan to increase nuclear energy production. So given this objective, it may be useful for him to round off the visit by discussing his nuclear energy plans in Germany as well. So involving Areva and L&T producing, inviting French president, no. Manufacturing of dedicated freight corridor, no. Dedicating many public sector undertaking, no. Areva and L&T deal to localize the manufacturing of required parts, yes. Answer is fourth option. Which of the following is not true? Prime Minister has agreed to purchase 46 Rafale. Did he mention 46 Rafale or 36? Where is that number? Buying Rafale. 20 billion. Here it is mentioned 36 Rafale fighters. 36 Rafale aircraft. But in the context, 46. So this is false. This is not true. False. And here we require false. First sentence is false. And do we have all of the above option? No. We have none of the above option. So answer is simply 1 is the right answer. If all of the above option is there, if all the options are there, then I need to read second, third, fourth. So 1 I have decided, short answer this one. I have decided that in the passage it is mentioned 36, here it is 46. So you can clearly identify this is a false sentence. If you have identified this is the false sentence, then none of the above is the fifth. Then answer simply 1 and no need of reading the remaining options. That's all for now. Thank you for your participation.